So I have a new ice machine from Euhomy. I've shared a few products from them in the past, ice machines along with refrigerators or the car fridges. They work awesome. This one is a nugget ice machine. You'll see that it does have a nice blue light inside, and the light will change color, so it will be blue while it's producing. It's going to turn purple when it's full, and it will turn orange or yellowish when the water is low. I haven't seen that one yet because I don't let it get that low. It also does come with a little scooper. Oh, and back to that light, you also have the option that you can turn that on and off. So if you don't want that light on at all, you can turn that off. It is a nice little night light at night in your kitchen, or like here, I have it on my RV counter. That's the other thing that's nice about this one, is that it's not very large, so it actually will fit on this itty bitty little counter that I have. This is your main power button. You hit that once, it's going to shut it off. Hit it again, it's going to turn it on. Press and hold for 5 seconds, and that will go into your cleaning mode while it's flashing. If you want to use the app, there is an app to control this. You're going to press this 3 times. It's going to start flashing, and you'll get the Euhomy app, and it will pop up on there, and you'll just connect it, and it'll be pretty easy. In the app, you can easily turn the power on and off. You can also turn the light on and off, and you can also set up timers. So if you want it to be scheduled to turn on at certain points of time, you could do that. So if you wanted to, say, only run, let's say you only want it to run in the morning, or you only want it to run at night, you can do that. Or you only want it to run for like 5 hours a day, you got that option as well. This one has an easy to open lid, and we do have a basket inside as well, which will hold over a pound of ice. This will produce up to 40 pounds per day. Oh, no, never mind. It started to turn purple because it was sensing it was full, but shaking it, it kind of triggered it to come back on. So it's back to blue. As for the wattage, I do have it connected to a power station just to get an idea of how much wattage it uses. The most that I have seen it use was about 300 watts, or pretty close to it, just a little bit under. And then part of the time it doesn't really use much at all. But you'll see where those little nuggets of joy comes out right here. It's producing the ice, and then you got that little thing that spins around. And as it's being produced, it will knock them down below. And it makes the ice pretty quickly. My kids prefer the nuggets because they get the crunch on it all day. But this one's from Euhomy. It works really well and produces up to 40 pounds per day.